I'm in the bathroom because I don't know how to film yet. Hi, okay, so I'm using this mirror because I don't know how to film. This is a tutorial on art stuff. So it's like a portrait art colored pencil thing. Okay, so this is a tutorial on how to use colored pencils for portrait art. So basically I'll be showing you my process, what colors I use, all that stuff. So if you want to know how to color a portrait, then keep on watching, and also do all that stuff. Subscribe, follow, whatever it is, bell notifications. I don't really know how to do this yet. Like it. But yeah, you can subscribe for more videos like this, for more tutorials, more art stuff. So keep on watching. So here's the reference photo. You can find it on my Pinterest. So if you search up Shaelee to Careless, you'll see I have an art references board right there. You can find a bunch of art reference photos, just a lot of photos that I use, a lot of portrait photos. This is the one I'm drawing today. Yes, I watch Love Island while I draw. First of all, frozen grapes, and then we'll get started on the drawing. Welcome to the tutorial. Hi, okay. Outline, outline, outline. Fun, fun, fun. Do it lightly. Try to get the portions as accurate as possible. That's very important. And then use a ruler and make the lines around the face. So the first thing I do is look at the reference photo and then sketch it out with a number 2 pencil. I usually use a mechanical pencil like this one. And I just sketch out the proportions. Obviously they're not exactly right. I might actually adjust the lips now that I'm looking at it, and the nose. Yeah, it's just like a rough outline, and I outline it with a ruler and pencil. Okay, I think I fixed the proportions so they're like a little better. Obviously not perfect, but my goal is not perfection. Okay, this is the first time I did this, but I taped around so that the colored pencil will all be like straight, in a straight outline, and then also lightly dab with a kneaded eraser to get rid of the pencil lines. Keep your colored pencils super sharp, that's so important. I usually first go in with the Prismacolor Chestnut.
Doggy break.
Next comes black to get the really darks in, and then white to get the very highlighted lights in. Then comes the peachy midtones, which I use as light colored pencils to blend everything. Obviously add in more red because she has very red cheeks, like me. Some oranges, some yellows to get a bunch of different colors in. You need a lot of colors and layers for the skin tone. So more reds, obviously. Just keep going with those colors. Keep it going. So that was my progress for tonight. Took about 1 hour, I would say. Just got the base colors down, not much blending or it's really streaky, but I just got the colors down, so I'm happy with it so far. We're back. Pinks for the cheeks, and then get the blacks in for the eyeliner, the eyelashes, the eyebrows, all that. And then this little color for the freckles, which are elite, love freckles. And then use the white pen to get all the highlights in. It's so important. And then the most satisfying part, pull that tape off, and you have a beautiful straight line. It's amazing. I'm in love. And then sign your name. Better than I did, because that was really disgusting and ugly. But here's the final piece. I hope you like it. If you want more pieces like this, please tell me. Hey, yeah. That bitch tastes like cherry cheese, really titties, so titties, yeah. We are now in a new bathroom. For the end of the video, it's come full circle. So I just want to say thank you for watching. Subscribe, bell, like, whatever the YouTube stuff is. You know what to do. And just come back for more tutorials, more art stuff, more bad filming and bad editing. If you have any tips, leave them below. Any video requests, leave them below. All that jazz. Come back for more, and I really, really want to try something, so I'm going to try it right now. Wait, ready? I don't know if that worked. If it didn't work, which it probably didn't, then we're going to do this.